I think we are. Yes, we are. Hello, Carter.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good.
How you doing, Mary?
I'm good.
We are on your last step of the Easy-Peasy program, and you have any idea why we might be on the last step? Yeah, they are growing, and what do they have on them? Flowers, and I thought I saw something yesterday. Let's take a peek. I thought I saw something down here. I wonder if somebody came and took a little snack. I thought I saw the first pea, which
you
is
did,
what?
right here.
Yeah!
Look at
that's
that.
the first pea!
Yay.
Take it.
No, not yet.
Well,
That's so
you might want it to get a
exciting.
little bit bigger.
Yeah. Wait till it gets big.
So
Nice
you
and
guys
sweet. Don't pick it yet.
have grown this pea plant to the point where you get peas,
Woo.
which is pretty exciting.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, so we were talking just before I started, really the last thing to keep in mind as you're going through the next month or so, because now is when it's going to start producing all the peas. And maybe we'll check back in a couple weeks, but you are slowly, and you're doing it right now, pulling those little branches out through that chicken wire so that they can be on the outside. And what that allows you to do is be able to get to the pea pods as they start coming. I'm going to turn this way. Everybody's going to freak out. And that way you'll have all these peas on the outside. So I saw, how many flowers are there, Carter?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 flowers.
Yeah, at least. And pretty soon there's going to be like gazongas. It really starts to get amazing. So you are at the point where what might be the other thing that you're going to have to keep an eye on over this next month if you want to have peas. What else were we looking at for color?
What gives it the color? Do you remember?
Water.
Water. Because this plant, all these little plants in here are going to be gobbling up the water like nobody's business because they're growing so fast and now they're making peas. So, and plus, what's the weather like outside now?
Is it cold and snowy?
Warm and hot. It is
Sunny.
warm and hot and sunny, which is like prime pea weather now that the roots are all ready to go. So, mister, you got your first pea, and I just want to thank you for being part of this Easy-Peasy project.
Yeah.
Because I have enjoyed coming to watch you every weekish or so grow peas.
Yeah.
So
It's so
thank you
fun.
very much, Carter.
Thank you, Michelle.
Thank you,
Really,
Mary. I
that's so
appreciate
great.
your patience with me.
Of course.
And I will be by to sample a pea with you sometime in not too long.
Are there bugs eating them?